In this video, this poor cat will give birth soon decide to take care of her. And you become my little sister's cat. Can you like and comment suitable? For me and subscribe. I love you, you are the nicest three. And the most beautiful people in the world, Caml. And only I love you enjoy the benefit. If you want parts 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, tell me I will. Download it. I love you enjoy the nicest and dearest followers in the world. I love you to death, I swear to God, peace.